First of all, measure the length of your future hedge to compute how many plants you'll need. Space each variety by at least 50 inches and offset the row from the fence by 24 to 30 inches. Remember to provide space behind the hedge to make pruning the back side easier. Decide which shrubs will grow in your hedge. Do you need an evergreen hedge to cut off neighbors or a windbreaker? A color drawing with the name of the shrubs will help you visualize it. Start with planting the first tree. For that, dig a hole that is 4 to 5 times wider than the clump of the plant you are transferring. Break up the excavated soil and mix in planting soil mix, compost or organic soil conditioner. Pour a thick layer of this blend at the bottom of the hole. Remove the shrub from its previous pot and thread the cultivator along the roots of the clump to disentangle them. Position your specimen at the center of the hole, carefully spreading out the roots. Add a stake if needed. Position your shrub carefully, turning it to the side that looks best. Backfill the hole with what is left of the soil. Press down and shape the ground into a bowl, then water abundantly. Plant the other shrubs in the same manner. Water your hedge regularly during the first year. Mulch the base of the trunks to retain soil moisture. If your hedge is flowered, prune in the recommended season, otherwise you won't get any flowers in the following year.